Good morning, students. Today we are going to study about matrices. First thing is, what is matrix? A matrix is a set of a number which is arranged in rows and columns in a rectangular array, which you can see on the screen on the right hand side. There is a column 23 and 40. It means there is a matrix which is given inside the bracket. Some numbers are written 23, 78, 45, 67. So these numbers, which are called elements of the matrix, are enclosed in the bracket. So each one is known as the element, and when we denote the matrix, it is denoted by a capital letter. Next topic is what is order of matrix. Now, order of matrix, we call it that how many rows and how many columns are there in the matrix. If you can see, it is indicated by the arrow written first row. First row means it is the horizontal numbers like 23 and 78. They are in a first row. Similarly, 45 and 67, they come under the second row. So horizontal, if we take, it is called row, and if we take vertically, we call it as column. So 23 and 45 if we take, which is vertical numbers, so they are called first column, and 78, 67 is called second column. So when we want to denote order of matrix, we write first how many rows are there in the matrix, then we put cross sign, and then we write how many columns are there. So in this particular case, order of matrix is nothing but 2 by 2. We call it 2 by 2. We don't say 2 cross 2. So if there are m rows and n columns, we say m by n. Similarly, in this case, it is 2 by 2. Okay, let us see which are the different type of matrix. What do we have? First one is row matrix. Now, as the name suggests, row matrix, it is when a matrix has only one single row, we call it as row matrix. For example, if one single row is written as 4, 5, 6, so it is a row matrix of order 1 by 3 because one row and 3 columns. Second one, we can see it is as column matrix. The column matrix, if a matrix has only one column, we call it as column matrix. For example, if it's written in the bracket 1, 2, 3, in one column, we call it column matrix. But there are 3 rows, so order becomes 3 by 1. Next is rectangular matrix. As the name suggests, it is a rectangle. Means some length and breadth must be there. That has to be different. So in this matrix, in which the number of rows is not equal to the number of columns. So it should be different. So we call it rectangular matrix. For example, first row contains 1, 2, 3. Second row contains 4, 5, 6. Hence, it is the order becomes 2 by 3. And another one is square matrix. If a matrix have equal number of rows and columns, then we call it square matrix. That we have seen in the previous slide where we had 2 by 2. So same rows and same number of columns. Another few more types of matrices are null matrix or zero matrix we call it. If each element of matrix is zero, we call it as zero matrix or null matrix. It can be row, column, square, rectangular, anything could be possible. Next one is diagonal matrix, a square matrix in which all its elements are zero. So square matrix means length breadth equal, means all rows and columns must be equal. It could be 2 by 2, 3 by 3 or so on. But if except the diagonal, as we can see in the example below, 1, 4, 6 written in a one single diagonal. Now those elements must have some value other than 0. We call them as diagonal matrix, except that all the other elements are 0. The principal diagonal must have some value. So we call this type of matrix as diagonal matrix. Next is unit or identity matrix. Now square matrix in which the principal diagonal, which we have seen here, diagonal matrix also, starting with the first number and ending with the last, the elements are 1. So, and all other elements are 0. So that means unit matrix is nothing but a diagonal matrix, but with all elements of a principal diagonal must be equal to 1. So we call it as unit matrix or diagonal, identity matrix also. So these were the few different type of matrix which we have learned 4 or 5 different type of matrix. Now we'll see different way to solve those matrix, or we will see what are equal matrix. We will see how to multiply the matrix and all that. The first topic is transpose of a matrix. It is not a transpose like what we do in simple mathematics, like where we take the values from one side to another. Here we are doing it in the same matrix itself. Transpose of a matrix A obtained by interchanging the rows and columns of a given matrix. We call it as transpose. So just interchanging rows and columns. जो रो है उसको कॉलम बना दो, जो कॉलम है उसको रो बना दो. That is what we have to do. So if you see the example here, matrix A having elements 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. So first row, which was 2, 3, 4, we made it first column. So just we wrote those elements in the column form 2, 3, 4. And second row was 5, 6, 7. We wrote in the second column 5, 6, 7. I hope you understood this. Now to represent, we put a small bar, a small dash above A. So A dash, we call it as transpose, A transpose. Just interchanging the position of rows to columns. Okay, next is equal matrices. Now two matrices are called equal if first condition should be that both matrices have the same order, and second is the corresponding elements of both the matrices are equal. Just you need to remember these two conditions. Both matrices have same order. Suppose first is 2 by 2, the second should also be 2 by 2. And second, corresponding element of both matrices are equal. So we have some certain problem using this equal matrices to find x or y or some variable. So let us understand some addition of matrices, how to add two matrices, that we will understand. So addition of matrices, two matrices can be added only if their order is same. Their sum is obtained by adding the corresponding elements of the matrix. So let us see in a small video how we can add the two matrices. So let's see one example. Suppose we have a matrix with elements. So the elements are 3, -4, 8 and 5, and we could have another matrix P which could be some more values to it. So when we add those matrix, we just need to add the corresponding elements of that. So if we can see in this example A plus B, so 3 added with 9, the order of matrix A is 2 by 2 and second B also is 2 by 2. So that order has to be same, and then we add them up. The first condition is met. So first we'll add first element 3 plus 9. The first row second column will give us -4 plus of -5. 8 plus 2 and 5 plus bracket -6. These are the values. So just we simply write down our answer. 12, 10, -9 and -1. This is our answer. That is what we have to do. We have to learn this, how to add those numbers. So same way we could have some more problems. We can see the same way we can add maybe 3 elements or 4 elements. I hope you understood this. So now next topic is to multiply, scalar multiplication of a matrix. Now a matrix A can be multiplied by a real number K, that is Ka could be can be obtained by multiplying every element of A by K. So suppose if a matrix B has 5 is written outside and inside the bracket it is 3, 1, -2 and 4 are the elements. Then if we multiply 5 with the matrix, then that 5 will be multiplied with each element. So 5 multiplied with 3 gives us 15, 5 multiplied by 1 gives us 5, 5 multiplied by -2 gives us -10, and 5 into 4 gives us 20. So when we multiply with any scalar, it is being multiplied with all the elements inside. So let us see one more question about addition and subtraction. So subtraction also we'll do the same way as we have done addition. So in the first case, matrix A is given as 3, 4, 5, 6 are the elements, and for B it is 1, 2, 7, 8. When we add them up, first element of A and first element of B will be added. So it becomes 3 plus 1, which gives us 4. Second gives us 4 plus 2 gives us 6. Third, 5 plus 7 gives us 12, and 6 plus 8 gives us 14. So that is the answer. This is the answer for addition. And for subtraction, same way, if you see this 3 minus 1 gives us 3 minus 1. 4 minus 2 will give you 4 minus 2, which is 2. Third element 5 minus 7 will give us -2, and 6 minus 8 will give us -2. So that is what we get after subtracting. So it is the same way what we have done in the addition part. So that is how we add or subtract. Another problem, if we see, we need to find out the matrix X. Now the problem here is one matrix is given on the left hand side plus X. X is another matrix which we have to find, and on the right hand side two matrices which are written, we have to subtract. So first what we do is we subtract them, right? So on the right hand side, if we do, it becomes 4 minus 2, -1 minus 4, 7 minus 3, and 9 minus 8. That is what we have learned in the last time, how to subtract them. And after subtracting, we got answer as 2 minus 5, 4 minus and 1. Now we have a matrix on the left hand side 3, 2, 5, -4. We take it on the other side and put a subtraction sign, and then simply we subtract them. So what do we get is 2 minus 3 gives us -1, -5 minus 2 makes it -7, 4 minus 5 makes it -1, and 1 minus of -4 will give us +5. So this is the way how we add or subtract the matrices. I hope you understand in this particular part of matrix. We have learned different type of matrices. Second, we have learned how to add matrix, how to subtract matrix, and how to multiply any scalar with the matrix. In the next part, we will see how to do multiplication of two matrices. I hope you understood. Thank you very much.